The world doesn't stop, but something within you does. The bass doesn't just drop, it descends into your soul. Deadlines fade, miles melt, and suddenly, rush hour feels like a recess for your senses. Some call it retail therapy. She calls it a soundtrack to her stride. It's not silence, it's stillness. And there's a difference. Because when every note is maximized, you don't just listen, you live inside the music. Your world won't stop, but now it can sound exactly the way it should. Noise Master Buds Max, with sound by Bose technology, where each note is maximized.